Hello, Mr. Shokouhi. Thanks for coming back. Uh, you are here for the test results. Uh,
Uh, yes, it's for my daughter Jessica.
how is she feeling today?
Uh, the pain is still there, but well, uh, we don't know what's happening really. It's when we came in, you said we need to go for an ultrasound, and the ultrasound doctor said that we have to come and see you.
Mhm.
Mm,
Yeah.
uh,
Uh, can you tell me more about her symptoms, her problem?
Jessica's symptoms. Okay. Well, she had this nagging pain in the right side of the tummy, and then when we came in, you said you can feel a fullness, and that's why you said we need to go for an ultrasound because basically we didn't know what the fullness is. So
So I have Jessica's ultrasound results now, and unfortunately, the results is not what we were expecting. Uh, it shows that there is an abnormal growth in her kidney.
uh,
Uh,
what do you mean by abnormal growth?
uh, Actually, there is a tumor in her kidney, something that we called Wilm's tumor. Have you ever heard about that?
So what does that mean? Is it you mean it's cancer?
Oh, I'm really sorry. I know that it must be hard for you, difficult for you. It's a kind of cancer. Actually, um I know it must be a lot of pressure for you, but uh, the good news is it's actually the most common type of cancer in children of her age. And that, are you okay? Do
Okay.
you want me to continue?
Yes, doctor. Is so what is going to happen? Is she going to die?
Uh, no, there's neutral, Megan. There's no need to worry.
It's
Uh,
unlikely.
It's unlikely. It's the most common tumor in children of her age, and fortunately, there are several treatment options. It's completely treatable, and in most of patients with treatment, they will live a normal life, and it has a good prognosis. Uh,
So uh, does this mean that she might need a surgery?
exactly. What we need to do first is to see a specialist, a pediatric oncologist. They are expert in this field, and they will do the best treatment for her. Tell me what do you think about that?
Yeah, I just want to know if she needs this, if she needs any surgery.
It's likely. Actually, um, I'm not sure at this time what the course of action would be, but what we can do now is to refer you to a specialist. I can write
Okay.
a referral letter for her that a specialist can see her urgently. it's the best course of action that we can do now.
Okay. 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 So, how was that?
Not good.
Why?
I don't know when موقعی که دیگه مریض خیلی ناراحت میشه واقعا آدم نمیدونه الان باید چی کار کنه، حرف بزنه نزنه.
دیگه قرار شد پوز کنین دیگه.
من دیگه سعی کردم پوز کنم و گفتم میخوای من ادامه بدم، نمیدونم حالا این درسته خوبه.
Okay. So, what's your feeling?
So.
So. So, what score would you give yourself?
5.
5. Okay. Now tell me what went well. The 5 points that you received: structure, rapport, information gathering, eyes, information giving.
استراکچر هم خوب بود فکر
Okay.
میکنم. راپو هم اولش اگر مشکل داشتم ولی بعد درست شد. اینفورمیشن گدرینگ و بد نبود. بیشتر از 5 باید بگیرم فکر میکنم.
Okay. پس احساستون خوب نیست.
فکر کنم امپاتی و اینام یه کمی خوب نبود.
Okay. خب یعنی چی خوب نبود؟
یعنی که واقعا نمیدونم تا چه حدی آدم باید بگه وای خیلی متاسفم و وای مثلا میفهمم الان مثلا چه حسی داری و این دیفیکالته. نمیدونم کافی هست نیست در این حد به نظر شما؟
اوکی. رایت. ببینیم خب اوکی. استراکچر راپو اینفورمیشن گدرینگ خوب بود یا نه؟ چجوری بود؟
آخه عملا وقتی که الان من مریض اومده برای سونوگرافی نوشتم دیگه اینفورمیشن رو دارم دیگه، دوباره لازمه که چیزی دیگه بپرسم یا فقط برای اینکه یه حرف رو باز کنم. من بیشتر
قراره شما ببینید که what do they know so far. اوکی. اون میشه اینفورمیشن گدرینگ ما. اوکی. شما گفتین که اوکی what happened ولی گفت نپرسیدین که اوکی how much do you know about this. Okay. So exploring eyes, ideas, concerns, expectations. Was there any eyes here to explore?
بله فکر میکرد میخواد مثلا بچهش میمیره. من خیلی توجهی نکردم.
اوکی. یکی از کنسرناش مردن بود، یکی از کنسرناش سرجری بود. دیگه
دیگه چیزی نگرفتم.
اوکی. What can we do now? Okay. Right. So to information giving شما چانکن چک کردین یا نه؟ یعنی یه تیکه کوچیک بگین بعد چک کنین؟
نه.
Okay. Right. Okay. So ببینید مثلا شما این کار کردین یا نه؟ آیا شما گفتید که آیا فامیلی ممبری کسی میخواد بیاد باهاتون بشینه یا نه؟
نه.
نه. اوکی. آیا گفتین که چقدر میدونی در مورد این موضوع که الان میدونی چه خبر هستن؟
نه.
اوکی. Break it down a little at a time. شما باز یواش نگفتی که یه دفعه همچی پشت سر هم گفتی که اوکی. پس باید اینجا break it down little at a time. Knowledge, be direct, use plain language, okay? And empathy and summarize. So what I'm going to do is this and that. پس مهمترین قسمتی که اینجا علت این که شما زیاد هپی نیستی اینه که خودت هم میدونی. برای اینکه یه چیزای اصلی رو شما انجام ندادی. یکی اینکه باید more slowly. Okay. So you have to pause a lot. Okay. Slowly plus pause. Okay. بعد پاز کنید. اینکه تون بخوایم بگیم نه. خیلی یاد کم حرف بزنید. برای این کیسای ساده ایه در واقع. برای اینکه شما بعد slowly حرف بزنید و pause. که yes, I have got the results of the ultrasound. Okay. And it is not actually something that we expected. Okay. بعد خیلی آروم حرف بزنین. خیلی آروم و با مکس. بعد که گفتید که آره and it shows that it's a kind of tumor. Is it alright? اون وقت باید صبر کنید. اینجا باید خیلی پوز کنید. بذارین اون حذف کنه. بعدش بگین که I'm really sorry. I understand it must be very difficult for you. But would you like me to continue? How much would you like to know? And then so basically yeah. میگن که وقتی خبر خوبه میذارن توی شیپور و بقوکرنا بالا yes shouting and وقتی که خبر خوبی نیست نه یواش یواش آروم آروم با صدای غمگین و با پوز زیاد. اوکی پس that's the whole point. اصلا توی breaking bad news اصلا نکتهش همینه که شما در واقع باید چیکار کنی؟ باید پوز بیشتر بکنی. اوکی خب اگه شما قرار بود دوباره انجام بدید الان چیکار میکردی؟
اول میپرسیدم would you like somebody come with you.
Good.
میگفتم که حالا همونی که گفتم مثلا چه اتفاقی افتاد what happened.
Good.
بعد
and how much do you know about
how much do you know
about the results or anything? Yes. Okay.
And then اونو که گفتم مثلا I have your results and it's not what we were expecting. It's a kind of tumor. دیگه اینجا یه کمی سکوت میکردم که بتونه چیز کنه. بعد میگفتم مثلا it's مثلا kind of kidney tumor فلان.
Show empathy.
I know that it must be difficult for you, but it's treatable. The prognosis is good generally, and
it's a low grade tumor. It's not very high grade. Basically, we know a lot about these tumors, and there are lots of treatment options. Okay. So, and then you say, is there anything else you would like to know? And then in the end, yes. So what I'm going to do now is this and that. Yep. I will do a referral, and then, as you said, I'm going to refer you to the best available oncologist, pediatric oncologist, as you requested. Okay, you said that you want the best oncologist, and I will send you to see the best possible. Okay. Good. So that is breaking bad news.
Yes.